Good morning or good afternoon, everybody. We are going to be working on page 83 today in our homework, and we're going to be focusing on solving and comparing word problems with tape diagrams. And why is this important? Well, this really gives us practice in solving word problems using visuals such as tape diagrams to help us solve multi-step problems. So this really is going to help us solve word problems, make them easier for us to add, subtract, and to use our critical thinking skills to solve each problem. So let's begin reading the instructions. We are going to draw a tape diagram to represent each problem. So here's our little tape diagram. Cool. We're going to use numbers to solve. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 numbers. And we're going to answer as a statement. So we're going to write a statement. I love math at the end. Perfect. So let's get into each problem. Okay. Gavin has 1,094 toy building blocks. So let's put that down. I don't think that's our total, but at least we can put a tape diagram in that represents how many blocks Gavin has. Okay. Avery only has 816 toy building blocks. So let's connect Avery. All right. Here is Avery. Perfect. Now, how many more building blocks does Gavin have? Oh. Well, it looks like we don't need to connect it. Avery can be his own tape diagram. Boom. And they want to know how many more building blocks does Gavin have than Avery. So they want to know, hey, what is this little section here? Gavin has more, so how much more does Gavin have? Well, we can subtract Gavin with Avery, and we will get our difference. All right. So you can solve for that, and then I'm going to give you your statement. So whatever answer you get here, I want you to at least put it in a statement. Okay. Gavin has, and you put the answer. Gavin has more blocks than Avery. Oh, capital A. Cool. So that was the first. That was the first problem. Pretty simple, not that bad. All right. Let's go to the next one. Container B holds 2,391 liters of water. So let's make a tape diagram for container B. Awesome. Perfect. Oh, so together, container A and B hold 11,875 liters of water. So it sounds like that would be our total amount. So container B and container A. So container B and A. And that is what? 11,875. Perfect. Now, do we have container A's amount? Let's continue to read. How many more liters of water does container A hold than container B. Okay, so this one's going to be a little bit more tricky because we don't have container A. That is a mystery. Okay, we don't have container A. So we need to find container A first, and then we'll find out the difference between container A and container B. So let's subtract the total amount and subtract container B. This one I will do with you just a little bit longer so that you can understand what we're doing here. So let's subtract to find, remember, we're trying to find container A. So we got 4, unbundle, add 10. We are going to have 8, 4, unbundle. This becomes 11, and 9. Perfect. So container A actually will hold 9,484 liters of water. Now, their question was, how much does container A hold and container B? So now we have container A, and they want to know how much more does container A have than container B. So we have to find the difference. And remember, when we find the difference, that is subtraction. Okay, we got to subtract those two, container A and container B. So let's do it. So we are going to have 9,484 subtract 2,391. Okay, whatever answer you get, that is going to be your answer for your statement. And I will give you, you all have to subtract that, and I'm going to give you your statement right here, and you put in the answer, okay? So, container A holds, put in the number, more liters of water than container B. Okay, there you go. All right, so that is our math homework today. A little bit of practice when it comes to word problems and using tape diagrams in order to solve multi-step word problems. So I hope this one was a simple one today. I hope it wasn't too challenging. And make sure to finish those subtraction problems here, which I didn't do for you. I kind of want you to get that practice. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.